Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hubli Dharwad location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Business Development Executive position. It is from GBB located in Hubli, Karnataka. So coming to roles and responsibilities, you should be able to make 10 to 30 cold calls per day and to qualify at least 10 plus opportunities per month and to map potential industry verticals and to secure meetings with the decision makers at target accounts and to garner more potential customers by leveraging your existing relationships and industry experience and to be proficient in pitching infrastructure solutions and to prospect customers. So to retain accounts by developing strong relationships with the key decision makers and should maintain excellent business relationship with their major OEMs and vendors and fulfillment of sales quota quarterly or annually and to achieve the allocated revenue targets and also you need to maintain excellent relationships with the ministries and PSUs and clients and to ensure timely collection of payment dues. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Coming to education qualification details, you must have done your engineering degree in electronics or electricals or power or instrumentation or information technology or computer science or computer engineering or software or telecommunication and also you should have done your MBA or BCA or MCA or MS in computer applications or else BSc or MSc in computer science or information technology and overall percentage of marks in 10th and plus 2 degree and PGDBM or MBA should be preferably 60 percentage above. So these are the roles and responsibilities and also education qualification details. So please check with all the details provided here and for more detailed information about this job opening you can visit on the official website link. It will be provided in the description for your reference so you can have a look on that once. Next one. There is a job opening for storyboard artist position. It is from Vritti Utsava, located in Hubli, Karnataka. So to apply for this position, you should be having 2 to 8 years of experience. And coming to responsibilities and skills details, you should be having knowledge on Storyboard Pro and proficiency with editing, drawing, and graphics software. And also, you should be having analytical skills. And criteria will be work portfolio is a must. So these are the qualification details and also requirements to apply for this storyboard artist position. So for more detailed information in order to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description for your reference. So you can have a look on the description once. Next one. There is a job opening for 3D faculty position. It is from Arena Animation Hubli. So it is located in Hubli location, Karnataka. So coming to skills details, you should be expertise in 3D tools for modeling, texturing, lighting and rendering, animation, dynamics and 3D architectural pre-visualization and also good command over the following softwares like Autodesk, Maya and 3ds Max and AutoCAD, JetBrush. So you should be having knowledge on all these softwares and you should be motivating and updated with the latest industry trends and also the candidate should be having good communication and teaching skills in English and also should be able to communicate in Hindi and Kannada languages. So for more detailed information about this job opening you can visit on the official website link. It will be provided on the description so you can have a look on the description once. Next one. There is a job opening for web designer and developer position. It is from Suvarna Tech Solutions located in Hubli, Karnataka. So they are looking for multi-core talents for a couple of positions having the skills listed below. So you should be having knowledge on all these softwares provided here like HTML5, JavaScript, CSS3, AngularJS and Angular, React.js, PHP, Code Igniter and Laravel, latest UI UX knowledge and Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB and also MySQL and GSAP. So you should be having knowledge on all these softwares provided here, and bonus and additional skills for other positions or on page or off page SEO, tracking and analytics tools and SEM, SMM, Python, graphic designing, wireframes and also UI markup or prototypes. So you should be having knowledge on all these platforms also provided here. And to apply for this web designer and developer position, you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience. So it will be most preferable. So interested candidates, for more detailed information or else if you want to apply for this position, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description for your reference. So you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for Ultimate Technology for content writer position. It is from Ultimate Technology Private Limited, located in Hubli, Karnataka. So coming to skills required, you should have done graduation or master's graduation in business or management and proficient in English, and also should be strong communication skills with a strong business related knowledge and also excellent overall writing skills in several different styles, and also impeccable spelling and grammar, a deep understanding of consumers and what they expect online, and great research, organizational and learning skills. And the candidate should have good knowledge of online marketing and excellent vocabulary and should be able to create creative content for articles. So these are the skills required to apply for this position. And also coming to duties and responsibilities, compose creative content especially for online consumption digital media, and must act as a bridge between the company and its current market and future markets, and review their performance and aim at exceeding market domain, and also understand major search engines work and visit particular websites, and you need to create a variety of topics and types of businesses. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So you can go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be available on the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for state trainer position. It is from Xiaomi India, located in Hubli, Karnataka. So coming to roles and responsibilities, you need to conduct training for new and current sales associates and develop individualized training trained plans for underperforming salespersons, and also schedule orientations and related training events for individuals and teams. And you need to observe sales encounters and also determine the training needs for individuals and or sales teams, and also develop sales performance policies and methods for evaluating performance in a for passion, and improving training techniques when needed to meet the unique demands of certain accounts and or the corporate sales market or large. And you need to meet financial objectives for various trainings. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So please go through with the information provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link, and I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. One, there is a job opening for area manager position. It is from 2Coms Consulting Private Limited, located in Hubli, Karnataka. So to apply for this position, you should be having minimum 1 year of experience as an area manager, and qualification will be BSc or B Pharma graduates. And coming to job description, any graduates with minimum 1 year of experience in pharma sales as area manager. So the candidate shall have experience in team handling, and also the candidate shall be target oriented, and also should be having experience in customer relationships. So these are the qualification details and also about the job description. And for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit on the official website link. It will be provided on the description, so you can have a look on the description once for the website link to apply for this area manager position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.